Welcome back to KC Life Adventures. Today we'll be giving you the tour of the van. The one will be taking us around all the 5-6 countries we've been to. So please, let's see what we have inside. So first of all, this is the co-driver seat. We have 2 seats there. We also have a compartment whereby you can place your stuff. And also we have 2 more spaces here. You can place your camera if you're the co-driver, and we have a cup holder there, and also a co-passenger in case you have a 3rd passenger here. Then also we have some space on top here. You can place your things in case you are drinking or eating while driving. Is that so? I think so. Yeah, so you can place it for easier reach. You can just reach and eat, reach and drink. So I think that's about it for the co-driver seat. Then it is comfortable. There's enough space for the co-driver and also the passenger. Let me demonstrate so that you can see. There's enough space room. You can stretch, you can sit up properly, and also there's enough space for the driver and also the co-driver. Then also we have big mirrors, and also we have the parking mirrors on the side. This other side we have the drivers, and the driver's seat. It is comfortable. You can be able to adjust your seat. If you're short, if you're a tall person, 6 feet, you can also fit properly. I am 5'8", 5'9", so I fit very well. So a 6 feet person can also fit very well. And the steering handle as well. The handbrake is on the left side. Then the gear is right here. That's making more room for the passenger and also the co-driver. Okay. And also we have a holder for your phone. You can place and do all stuff, receiving calls, because you're not supposed to hold while driving. Then also navigating and stuff. Then also we have so many things here. We have the AC. We have a place where you can place other compartments. You can place your things. Then you can charge your phone while driving. And not forgetting also while reversing, because this is a big van, we also have a mirror, and it's adjustable. It's not on right now. You can be able to use the rear view mirror while reversing if the side mirrors block your rear view. So this is how it opens. It's a 2-door. It opens sideways, and there you have it. And as you can see, it's a very big space. On the left, this is where I keep my batteries, all the batteries of the van, and this is what lights up the van, and also use it to charge our phones, use it on the laptops and stuff. Then also we have a cooker here, what we use to cook while we are on the road trip. And as you can see, there's enough space for everything. There's a compartment drawers. You can place your clothes if they don't fit on the front side. See the compartment, very big, as you can see. Then also we have another one here, very spacious. Also the down part, also another compartment. And as you can see, we have a cable here. Let me show you how this cable works. The charging system is outside, open like this. Then this is the socket. Just place it inside. Voila. And then when you're near a place where you're going to charge your batteries and all that, this is the other side of the charging system. You place it, then it charges your phone, or rather it charges the car battery. So moving on, and in case you're wondering, most campsites, they have places where you can be able to charge the batteries of your car. And also here we have gas, whereby this is the methane gas you use to cook. Not forgetting, you have this car stands in case you're on a hilly place. Place them at the back of the wheel. Let me show you how. So your tires can be able to step on top of this gadget right here. I do not know the name of this gadget. I just know the use of it. So I think that's about it. In the back of the van. So let's go in the center of the van and see what's going on in there.
Alright, let me show you the bedroom and the living room and the kitchen. First of all, if you want to sit outside, the weather is nice like it is now. We have an extra table that we can open like this. And then you can put your coffee and tea here when you want to have breakfast in the morning outside. Very nice. Okay, let's get in. Let me show you the kitchen first. This is our kitchen. We have several drawers where we have our storage space. This one we keep our clean utensils. Then we have one here for clean utensils, some extra sodas. And this one has all our food related items for breakfast, cooking. And then here we have another shelf where we keep some snacks. And then here you can use this space for cutting your vegetables, preparing your meal. And then over here we have a sink. If you push this button, you can hear that. That makes the water run. We have two cans with water, 1 10 liter can with clean water and 1 10 liter for gray water. So everything that comes out goes in the gray water tank. So that's the kitchen basically. We have sockets here and behind there, but we'll come to that one later. Then over here, this is the sitting area. We have a mirror, so you can sit on both sides here, and we have some nice cushions, and we have storage underneath here. So as you can see, there's a lot of space. And then over here, there's also a toilet inside. Then over here we have the fridge. You can turn it on from here or off as you please. I think this is a small freezer even. So maybe you want to make ice cubes because it's warm outside. So that's the fridge. Then over here there's the device for controlling the heating system. When it's very cold and you're standing, not while driving, but when you're standing, you can turn on the heating and then make it warm inside. Alright, then while working or while eating, we have a table that slides out. It has a lot of space for 2 people. You can work with your laptop or you can eat, have a meal here. Or when you were 3 people, I think one can sit here, one there, one there. So there's a lot of space. Let me slide it back for now so that I can show you what's underneath. This is the bedroom area. This is the closet where we put our clothes and all those things away. Let me show you. You can never forget to close them because while driving they'll all come out. So it's very important to always close them. This is another drawer. And then this is the last one. And then last but not least, behind here is a secret storage space where we are storing our laptops, as you can see. And so basically nobody can really tell that there is a storage space here. So you can also use it maybe for money, for your passport, anything that you don't want people to see. Then over here you have some 2 USB charging sockets, and then this plate here tells you what the situation is with the battery. Right now you can see that it's been charged by solar energy because we have solar panels on the roof. So basically if you are in a sunny area, you almost never have to charge it. All right, then this is the bed, and we have some storage space there. Maybe you want to put your toiletries there so that they're easy to get to at night or in the evening. Then we have one more surprise. We can lift this roof up and make it more spacious. So also some air is coming through, so it's nice for you know, some fresh air, but also if you want to stand inside and you're tall, then you can change clothes while standing here, or cut vegetables when you're standing here. It's very multifunctional. All right, so this is the situation during the day, because at night the bed can come out, and we are going to show you that. Let me show you how it works. So we slide it out all the way, and then put it on the mattress. Let me show you what it looks like when the bed is completely made. So this is what it looks like with the bed completely out. You can see that it's very big. I think it's 180. So that is like a king size mattress. And I think you can even sleep here with 3 people if you would want to, or like 2 adults, maybe and a child. For the sake of the video, I put the bed back so that I can show you the curtains. We have one here, and then 2 in the back. And you can all put them down when you want to go to sleep tonight, or in the evening, or when you want to have some privacy while you may be working or eating. It's very easy. You can just take this and it will come down. Then for this one, we do the same thing. So then when you have when the curtains are down, you will maybe want some light. We have 2 sets of lights, one for this area and then one for that area. And then you can also dim the lights or make the lights stronger. And then we have another socket here, of which I told you earlier that I was going to show you. So there's so many sockets in this place. And with that, we have come to the end of the video, the end of the van tour. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more van tour videos and to see more travel videos from Casey Life Adventures. So see you in the next one.